Hello everyone, let's look at the new fixes and changes that Microsoft is rolling out with the January 2026 security update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2. So this security update is labeled as 2026-01 security update KB5074109 and the build number is 26200.7623 for version 25H2 and 26100.7623 for version 24H2. This update doesn't include any new features, but the company notes that this release includes the new features and visual changes that the company started rolling out back with the December 2025 security update. You can check the link in the description to find a video showcasing all the new improvements released in December 2025. In this release, you will find only fixes and small changes. In part, this is because the company was taking a break during the holidays. So what's actually new on the January 2026 security update? Well, after installing this update, the system will no longer include some specific drivers that were meant for managing dial-up internet connections and fax capabilities on older laptops and desktop computers. This is the list of drivers that Windows no longer supports. And why is Microsoft ending support for these drivers? Well, because they're very old and they contain vulnerabilities. And almost no modern hardware uses dial-up modems anymore. And keeping this code inside of the operating system creates unnecessary security problems. On the networking side, Microsoft has fixed an issue where mirror networking and WSL could fail with no route to host problem and block access to corporate VPN resources. And the company also fixed an issue causing remote app connection failures in Azure Virtual Desktop. Now, as part of the power fixes, this update resolves an issue where devices with an NPU could remain power on while idle, negatively affecting power performance. In this update, there is also a fix for the WinSQLite3.dll core component, which some security software previously flagged as untrusted. Also, for security reasons, the Windows Deployment Services now disables the hand-free deployment functionality by default. And finally, to prepare for the June 2026 certificate expiration, Windows 11 is now rolling out new Secure Boot certificates in advance. If a device does not receive an updated certificate before expiration, it might fail to start correctly. So the company is using a gradual, reliably based rollout to reduce risks. And that's it. Those were all the changes that we're going to find on the Windows 11 in the security update for January 2026 for the version 25H2 and version 24H2. The update will download and install automatically. However, you can always open the settings app and then on Windows Update, just click the check for updates button and this will trigger the update manually. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you and I would like to thank you for viewing.